3/5 of Earth's population. Europe is the largest continent in land area. It lies west of Asia, but no ocean division between two continents. Europe is bounded in the west by the Atlantic Ocean, while the Caspian Sea, the Ural Mountains, and the Ural River form the eastern boundary. The Arctic Ocean forms the northern boundary, and the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea, and the Caucasus Mountains form the southern boundary. Although Europe occupies only about 1/15 of Earth's land area, it is third largest in population, positioned southwest of Asia, and Europe is Africa. The second largest continent in both land area and population, over 25% of the continent is desert area, while almost 65% is grassland. The remaining sorry, the remaining land areas of Africa are tropical rainforests, dry woodlands, and jungles. Most of Africa's rainforests are located in the Congo River basin and along some coastal areas. The world's longest river, the Nile, is located in northeastern Africa. Geographical and a high arid plateau covers most of Africa. The major landmass of the Western Hemisphere is the Europe-Asia-Africa landmass. In Western Hemisphere, the major landmass, known as the Americas, comprises North America and South America. The Americas landmass, at about 950 miles long, is longer from north to south than in any other land area in the world. The width of North America at its widest is about 4,600 miles south. America is about 3,100 miles wide. North America is the third largest of 7 continents. It reaches from frozen Arctic Ocean in the north to the warm tropical regions in the south. North America is bounded on the east by the Atlantic Ocean and on the west by the Pacific Ocean. Canada and the United States cover the northern 4/5 of the continent. Mexico and Central America cover the lower 1/5. South America, the world's largest continent, is smaller than North America. In both sides, the fourth largest is South America, and is continent is smaller than North America in both size and population. Like in North America, South America's eastern boundary is the Atlantic Ocean, and in its western boundary is the Pacific Ocean. More than 3/4 of South America's land area is located in the tropics. Two of South America's more well-known geographic features are the Andes mountain range and the Andes mountain range. The Andes mountain range and the Amazon River, the second longest river in the world. Australia, Earth's smallest continent. Australia is also a country. So like Singapore. Singapore's a country and a state and a city. Australia, Earth's smallest continent, is nicknamed the land down under. Because it is located extremely in the southern hemisphere, Australia is sometimes called the island continent. Because of its small size and the fact that it is completely surrounded by water, comprising about 5% of Earth's land area, Australia is mostly low and flat. It is thinly populated, with only a few areas along or near the eastern coast receiving enough rainfall to support large numbers of people. The name Australia comes from the Latin word australis, which means southern. So Australia has been going through a really hard time in 2020, I think. Well, 2019 going into 2020. They had a very